Welcome, friends. Have you ever imagined how this Instagram account makes thousands of dollars every month by just uploading simple nature videos, which completely made with AI? If I check the latest video he uploaded, we can see that this video got up to 1.4 million views in just 22 hours. This is not only on Instagram. If you search for this kind of video on YouTube, you will be amazed at how many views are getting these videos. And in this video, I will be telling you a step-by-step process on how to create nature videos like this for Instagram Reels or your own YouTube channel. First of all, we need to have a powerful prompt for image generation, and we can use ChatGPT for it. When you have the prompt, go to Leonardo AI Image Generation and then click on the Launch app. I already have an account in Leonardo AI. If you don't have, please make an account and use it for free. You will get 150 credits every day for free. Click on Image Generation. 150 credits is more than enough. Let's paste the prompt, set the dimension ratios to 16:9, and click on Generate Leonardo. We'll start working on generating 4 different variations according to the prompt. You can use any image in these 4, but if you have a budget, then I will suggest you use Midjourney because it is one of the greatest tools for generating beautiful images. As you can see, Leonardo generated these images, but we can't upscale them for free. We must upgrade the account. That is why I am suggesting using the Midjourney that will cost you $10 a month in the basic package, but it will make your work 10 times easier and greater. To use Midjourney, you must have an account in Midjourney as well as a Discord. In Discord, you can join any group like I have joined Newbies102. In the chat section, type /, then imagine, and then paste the prompt, but you must take care of the aspect ratios, which is 16:9. Now the Midjourney will generate great images according to the prompt. It will take some time to generate the images. As you can see, the people generating amazing images. If you don't find your image here, then go to your inbox and check the progress of the images. As you can see, Midjourney has started the work on it and it will generate within seconds. Once the Midjourney generates 4 variations of the prompt, then we can upscale anyone for greater results. For example, if I like the 4th one, then I will press the U4 to upscale. And this is the best feature in Midjourney. Midjourney will again take some time to upscale the image. So this is the final upscaled image that we can use in the video. You can check it out, click on Open in Browser and download it in the PNG form. But I will use this image that I already have generated with Midjourney. Now all we need to transparent these windows. You can use any photo editor like Photoshop, but I will use Photopea. It's online, free, and easy to use. Go to Photopea and create a new project. But the aspect ratios must be 16:9, and background should be transparent. Now the project is ready and we will need to import the image we have generated with Midjourney. But before you make any changes, you must rasterize the layer. Now it's free to make changes. You can taste all of these tools and use any one that can do best for you. I will use the polygonal lasso tool. You must take care of the selection. It is the important part of this video, and a better selection can provide greater results, just like I am doing. After completing the selection, press Shift and Delete. Boom, you have done it. I will do the same process for all of these Windows parts to remove the background. When the image is ready, then export it in a PNG form. This is the PNG image that we have exported. Now the next step is to export this image in the video editor software. I will use CapCut because it is free, easy, and user-friendly. When you create a new project, then you will have to import the PNG image to CapCut. When you create a new project, you will have to import the PNG image to CapCut and then to Timeline. The next step is to find the best nature footage, and Pixabay or Pexels are the platforms where we can find tons of nature footage free of cost. For example, I will search Valley Waterfall. Go to videos and let's see the results. You can see that there are more beautiful nature video clips, and you can select one that works great for you. I think this is a great video clip to use in the video. Yeah, that's really great. I will download it and use in the video. Okay, now import the video clip to CapCut and place it just after the image layer in the timeline. Split the unwanted areas by pressing the Ctrl+B in the window, and in the Mac press Command+B. The next step is to scale the video clip in the background. Now we need to find the best green screen fire to place it in the fireplace. YouTube is a great place to find copyright-free green screen videos. Let's search for the green screen fire videos. I think this one is the best. Now again, import the green screen fire video into the CapCut and then to the timeline. Remove the unwanted parts from the green screen video clip. Now we need to remove the green screen from the fire. But before we remove the green screen, we will crop this clip so that it will look more realistic. Now let's try to remove the green screen. Now click on the chroma key, then color picker, and then click on the green area of the clip. Now increase the intensity. The intensity must be 10 to 20, and scale the video in the fireplace. Increase the shadow so that the fire can look more realistic. Boom, our video will look like that. It is enough, but you can further edit it in the adjustment section. You can see the results now. It looks more realistic and beautiful video. Now we will make a compound clip of these clips so that it will be easy in the further editing. Now I will add the green screen candle to the video, and I will follow the same process as we have done for the green screen fireplace. As you can see, I have added the fireplace and candle to the video, and it looks beautiful. You can see that the video is only 4 seconds long, and I want it to longer, at least 10 seconds long. That is why I will undo this compound clip to increase its durability. As you can see, I have increased the duration of this clip to 10 seconds. Now I will select all the layers to make a single compound clip. Now I will need to add the waterfall sounds in the background as well as the music. Again, go to Pixabay, search for waterfall, and select the sound effects. As you saw, I have added the waterfall sound effect. Now I will add the music to the video, and you can use the YouTube audio library, which is completely free to use. You can find different kinds of music here. Pick any one of these that suits your needs. Now the video is ready to upload on YouTube. If you search on YouTube, you will see that the views of this kind of videos are in millions. But if you want to upload it on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube Shorts, then we will have to change the aspect ratios from 16:9 to 9:16. Now I will need to make a compound clip of all these layers. Undo the already compound clip and select all together to make a single compound clip. Now to change the aspect ratios, go to aspect ratios and choose the 9:16. Now scale the video to cover the ratios and drag it all the way to left, just like I am doing. After that, I will add one position keyframe at the start and go to the end of this clip. Now again, drag the clip to the left, and the system will automatically add the second keyframe as seen in the video. Congratulations, our video is ready. Let's check the final results. If you learned something from this video, please like, share this video, and subscribe to this channel.